fitani asese ne din ene your friend say mechanic na prophet kumichacha ma sesa me YouTube no ba bia me hwe bia ma change afro ene maba too much gh hwe na prophet kumichacha me so me hwe
Shonko and comma too much ATF for any ashafoni na yada must say that mo jibre eshayen nana dens munyaba mosun for mercy cow na me de ensemwa circulate wo man mu e ba besom neti for na say election result ya e ba beto dwa efi east no ankoye amadodo na enimu say US based Ghanaian and din Eddie Kevin Taylor there etiefo oye ne hu bi papa emra eye result yi beto dwa no na ne ya na wo ye nyina a kire se wo no de eye nipa ye declare no o man penya ye declare se wo no na wafa aba no ankoye ama no na anye ne de ne adwen kire ne de dan no ko tina eye ne platform ne so a kire se na wo kasa twi indirectly na ne kasa wo kasa nyina say and this amanoko echitaifo no sorry na just say one protest na one standing against a year result a beto oye yan so nim say e koba election yi mu koba say before year collect a year result no na just say year broadcaster report ni ade no YouTube nso ye djuma papa vim lady nso na wo jire mu bo edjuma na we na e koba say statement bi a wo make here no amanyoko NDC echitaifo no bebre a wo mo de no mo pese former president John Dramani Mahama na efa aba no ankoye amma wo ma na nipa wo kan so Kevin Taylor say na enim say wo no de result yi ankoye amma ne kra na vim lady wo no oye journalist and adwuma so eni wo Ghana ha make comment bi wo ni Facebook page a say comment no trigger Kelvin Taylor ma obeka nsemo bi na say na vim lady de nsemo ekotuja was social media vim lady disclosed that she would not be surprised if she wakes up one morning and get to find out in the news that a journalist has been killed. According to her, both the NDC and MPP journalists have no control over election results. It's therefore you say na vim lady betu ja emra result no eba out say one no enye ne won wa say ye beka say journalist bi we so timi hu say amanyoko MPP echitaifo any NDC for echitaifo je say won mo no ase no mo re fi say abatu journalist for de omo ni mo hwe report omonya na won de betu ja na so ayese omo to mani tesi journalist for am pese omo di omo ebu na eni tuase na nsente vim lady kra na ho no ye che ye brantie mienu wo ne ho a chese no mo chese omo kwa kokun efie atiasefo asase na nya midi na fofri a entumi anye ejuma na eno na chese Kevin Taylor so aba beka ensem efa commenter vim lady and according to Kevin Taylor say na wakan nsem the probability of vim lady dying in 2 weeks time is very high if care is not taken, all because he thinks she has dented Ghana's democracy. Kelvin also added that vim lady was paid by some people but failed to find her target. He also demanded vim lady retract her statement suggesting that journalists might die and say she would rather be the one to die. Therefore, who shenya Kevin Taylor ebeka fa comment vim lady koja say senya nyoma bubo eba no say na wosi ehu nyoma na eno na Kevin Taylor beka say onja say wono ka say journalist fo bi bewu na mo on ka say wono na wo bewu in 2 weeks na therefore nsem yi inchire mu wo mi twa me ho aba na me de aba beso for me ma obibia akwaba shonko ebie yeti nkonya ewo ensama Kevin Taylor a two just Vim lady obewu in 2 weeks. Now Vim lady so also steady system won selection anko ya maybe no more. Na ma ebi mu chese wa mo ken se mo etu ana mo bone charge bone enu nti no me sa ka me sister Miss Benis se o me come on na yen pese se mi ya ba me ma wo apa basro so ama na wo hwe nia ekoi result ya beto dwewie na we na bewu we hwe journalist fa se ya form ho tan a Vim lady so no wo field or journalist field and oni mebufuo hyewa amanoko ni bi dey call journalist for so now what the name terms abeto dwa na hu nia second tell so a wo no result na nko yi ama no timi be make comment say fa journalist no ana especially Vim lady
mama some of us some mama and share your phone na and now Kevin tell what say make say oh kasa o yeni pana so kasa so o show kasa mi especially say ubufua so o show kasa mi ana afezu yeni say amafo timi na amanone say meka ne ya obo timi na aha pina ya de nko yie ti no nti amafo timi na mo no ma plan nyema so at say obo timi na amanone no bosi dan
no timi na no si kan o connections
very good obo timi na o kan wa ware onu ni pa ni mo ni ha o but our residents of the mobile original mama, any partner or barn, the rear sending or barn up home, since you na line it here. In Tippet's mother say, so we but 2 years nearby is ya. You knew a beard as some with Babaton, I just want to never be
a saying distance and so you're barren and I just said,
yeah, won't mean ye, no matter where you are. It's me, say, we will say, if you're not. Or kasa wo before say na in nyama kwa politics once and one see was say as a NDC no if you are not so kasa was I didn't dey obi yenim say nanado ebini nti enam say asundwe ye pe wo man ni mu nti do obi journalist for ye kasa asundwe ni mu nti do e be say wo hwe ye o ti o be kasa party ya partisans ya kama party na go ba aha we say wo kama NPP but Usha Yamanima and Kayana and this young car said, or move protest the coin like a munia so by you as somewhere. But near Shayas, dear number of my I want to cry the old course is you're gonna for the fool, pass it, protest in the 1 year. I will there be once a gunner for Donna to say, port to walk. Ghana, you can't protest. I didn't know. Yeah, of course, you are still protesting. Exactly, but the way I want to demonstrate this time, I can't afford to mistaken with me. Like I said, protest leaders so we demonstrations no, and the problems there. About on mine, but protest leaders only protest. I that was so the didn't you protest and say way of protesting to the declaration in the castle will be but I can't know what the first then high. Anna, I don't know, and yet NDC for pet and a woman. I feel so NPP form, cum form, GFP form, just a money or be idea of opinion, as so different parties or more. And as some of who are more session, you might say, like a man to Yaman, a month for Basset, they are responsible for this and they are belonging to. Yeah, yes, me to say the entire Bludona, as to say, and this Amano, yes, I said. Video be call a message we call viral obi wo kantamato ni o ye involve one asones bi o ye involve no ono so ya che no so e kan bisa you understand it's a busy okoso a ye journalist for them say dey nkofo ni kasama nkofo so what is the innocent people now omo asemo ya affect omo no mo for omo hye sa de mu omo nya fa so bi omo nim so omo nya fa so bi a omo to mo fo se omo hye na fi de asem ne e ka omo na e be kasa mo nti bi ka se and we are the mouthpiece of the people na wo share a Vim lady asem na me ba ka se Vim lady no o ye na djuma as a journalist she journalist phobia ko bibia che so we are the mouthpiece of the people it's often na nipa ne nkofo obrea ese so ba na be ka ansam na ene e man nkofo it's already the djuma no way but emo obitina echi na ohwe se na nyama e kwa se ade na de okay be ka se ye pepisi you ka peace ni akodi na se demonstrations ni beja nti oye so wo kasa na akwa se o ya kasa ama NPP se ni ye we na fe o pese o kasa tia eno na Kevin Taylor auntie asia or then they say friend they say na say wo hwe so na de no so tie so bitie so na Vim Lady ka say oh say ya hwe ya journalist for ebe ogu ni we dem say problems na ekoso ni na NDC na dey problems na ba dem say MP omu oh ti demonstration dey talk ni na and say na journalist for kasa for the peace meeting akwa so BAT ya say ye kasa ma NPP
but
yes sir ye partisans so what you say into obejina echi no ohwe a obi be kasa say na Vim Lady be ka say me na so person o chere say NDC for and very responsible for the death of the journalist who no babebu
no question indirectly no share say na yoma airport na yoma media
into every layman
na had the ombeka said there be
sa no person o chere
a free
into every layman be obetie Vim Lady na
that she was misunderstood by a Kevin Taylor
into when say Kevin Taylor understood where Vim Lady was coming from. Oh, as a layman, it's Anna one misunderstanding no kind ya or the other out say any now okay so open searches on no the mistake I make say Kevin Taylor and say or they date ever count because we see 2 weeks. So what I say then say oh plan why she share to one say we have me ababa one. So what I say it me say oh kasa oh and for a deal before chi Emma own kasa enyama you don't even mean to do or you've not even planned to do because ebiana eden some abro we ebiana no kwere say
amokrampo de na show
abi mama ebiana no kwere say wan kasa wonya wa dream so be plan so be ebiana me or trans keke but Vim Lady no na mo ono so na mo pa obi na mo pa obi na mo no wo a ona o atamfo de na chidada. So what I say, and I didn't let be our news who are come for that. It's every no go or na ye. So what I say, and now every which but who know back say other two was it and in 2 weeks or no be wood. Or you are going to manamo every credit on our planet. So baby so now good. Now Obi Akwa ko ye juana mo. Njo be ko ye juana mo na e say abeka. So make us say oh say say mo dey say abai omuhwehwe mpa make abai a please for BNI for omukora no moye adwuma pa omochichichi nkofu ye omoye into this actions are happening in Ghana no omo share the other part of the threats that are coming here omochichi mu pa because this thing is very serious. This is affecting the life of the people.
But to share a reporter a chair say Vim Lady at some crack Kevin Taylor a cartoon so I gonna force to do not Susan or very reactive. I said, what fun, personal, and what fun, normal, just say actions, so taking this standing against every person near Yakano. I said, 2-1 and no, I'm per se. Some Vim Lady will find a year near Kevin Taylor. A cartoon is so funny, serious, and I said, it's so funny, normal, or no, they move a car, say, or no, through. Na we no threat na ni Panama. So what I say the person has not taken the action yet, but we are all hoping say BBS is, but we all know say or no Vim Lady there is nothing that she can do about it right now. So what I cry say ye nya carry it in near I say abai police for as someone o ma be taking it serious. Do you understand? Because ono Vim Lady what mean di Kevin Taylor chiwo nkwachi no baby wo. But in terms of the security system of Ghana near
and come say obi kasa obeye wade a egu police for already na mo be share krebu akobuti me engene enjo hwe oba Ghana am say ba the police for omo ye ka what class ye na me ya so no we Ghana down.
Baby, I'll kick up when you I just say, money for the whole crumple security system.
Rebecca say, Omunya Shushimu one, the seven no one yambo ababa one no by part because after we are talking about the life of a great person here in the country and to say, Vim Lady, she's doing a great job wherever she is. I feel so, Kevin Taylor. Or 2 on it, some of the person will come with maybe this is no credit and 2 service. Now, what kind of credit? We didn't credit the one now, say, or no, Nigana Hamsi. And also, and some Fubian watch Ghana for so.
Some so to me, if you want so a penasem, such as and won't try no more. Ghana, ya pass.
Me say, o see, o to the Nancy, I say, yeah, inauguration, you can't put me, put us a president, Nana Danko, who for the embassy to be ready this year, so classic day. Nasa, can tell I go to the Nancy as a sad by watching.
Therefore, and says an Emma, median your baby poor free, and we didn't see a yes, I and Twaswa, or pass some idea, a Bremen, what I say. Now, it's for a discussion, a coy, and we did so or a venture, a won't send a year, can be tell about carnage and biblet so didn't the comment on an adventure, but to Jana of family send Breno, we did this Jawa adventure, and to your comment section or FMI. After so subscribing to my G8. If you take us may be a 2 point on a boy and also to me I can be no watch watching at the phone. I would like to share the promoting a channel when it's for family member see crampo or Jumaqua. One more so I see my Julia adventures or Baba some kitchen away and car hurrah while within few minutes no one be dear not just a pomodia for my Juliet's number. I will ask you on a deliver one kitchen a war I and Nika Afe loan master Emma loan within 24 hours. We answer for the ability. Now we are government worker. Ghana. No master wow. I'm a when you urgent money for urgent project. But my loan master number. I see a 80 for a messy cow. And I'm thinking it's away. A best so more. Aha. And I'm doing best. That's it. Your best Asia be macramo.